How to recover permanently deleted files on Google Drive. Today I'll show you guys how you can easily recover your permanently deleted files. So without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. Go ahead and open up your web browser and then go to the search bar. Simply search for drive.google.com. And now let's say if I just go ahead and delete these files right here. So I'm just going to select these files. I'm going to tap on delete button on my keyboard, or you could just right click on it and then move it to trash. Go to your trash section and then you could just go ahead and empty trash, delete all of these forever. Now, in order to recover them, you're going to have to do it within a few days. So go ahead and click on the support button right beside settings and then go to help. Now this little window will pop up on your screen. All you have to do here is go to the search bar and then simply search for recover deleted files in Google Drive. Tap on it and it will open up this little window. You're going to have to choose your device and then go to request file recovery. Now it'll open up a completely new tab on your browser. All you have to do here is verify your account by entering your password and then click on next. Once you go ahead and enter your password, you'll get to this page. So here are some of the recovery steps. The first thing is to check on the trash. Since we've deleted it from trash, we are not able to recover the files from there. So I'm going to click no and then continue. Then you can just click on request file recovery right here. And you'll get a case number or your case ID, and you will receive an email saying that your files have been recovered. You'll get the results within the next hour. So that's pretty much it, guys. You also need to know that all of your recovered files will be in the place of the original location inside your drive. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon to get updated about our latest videos. I'll catch you guys on the next one.